Okay guys, here is just a quick video of how to do your Gaeilge today. So, Gaeilge seomra atá i do theach. So how many rooms are in your house? So here we have how to count the number of rooms as Gaeilge. So for one room we say seomra 1, 2 rooms, gá seomra, 3 rooms, trí seomra, 4 rooms, ceithre seomra, 5 rooms, cúig seomra, 6 rooms, sé seomra, 7 rooms, seacht seomra, 8 rooms, ocht seomra, 9, né seomra, and 10 rooms, 10 seomra. So be careful when you are counting. So for 1, seomra 1. That's different to 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So for 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, can you see that there is a H beside the S? So gá seomra, trí seomra, ceithre seomra, cúig seomra, sé seomra. And then from seacht to 10, so 7 to 10, it's seacht seomra, ocht seomra, né seomra, agus 10 seomra. So just be careful when you're writing in your answers. And then all you have to do is have a look at the number. So it says 3 there, so I go up to 3. And to say there are 3 rooms in my house, I say tá trí seomra i mo theach. So I'll just write that in. So tá trí seomra i mo theach. Okay. Number 2 is né. So I find né, and it's tá né seomra i mo theach. So again, I write that in. Tá né seomra i mo theach. So there's no H. So make sure, just be very careful that you're putting the H in the correct numbers and leaving it out for the correct numbers. Okay, that's all you have to do today, is fill in these missing words. Okay, and your answers are all up here. Good luck.